Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily activate international market on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Markets. And from here, you can easily see the Create International Market setting. And all you have to do is click on it. So, depending on your settings, your international market should automatically be active with the active setting on the side. And to customize this market, click on the pencil icon beside the countries. And from here, select the countries and region that you would like to include on your international market. Then click on Done. Make sure that your international market is active and not on draft. And once everything is done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!